Hello everyone, CryptoLemon speaking. Today is Wednesday, December 30th, and you are in for a new daily crypto news. So first we'll talk as usual about the crypto market, what's been happening over the past 24 hours, and we'll go on and talk about the Japanese internet called GMO that just received the NYC license to issue the first Japan yen stablecoins, and also they will also be able to do USD pegged stablecoin. We're gonna then talk about an interesting player for the Carolina Panthers. So it's an NFL team, it's American football. His name is Russell Okung. He just became the first NFL player to be paid at least half in fiat and half in BTC. So this is also a sign of mass adoption and some early adopters that just want to try to have a lot of their assets converted immediately into Bitcoin. And finally, we're going to talk about Bittrex, that is also halting trading for XRP. They plan to halt the trading of this token by January 15th. So let's get to it. So the cryptocurrency market cap is sitting a bit up today, up 4% over the past 24 hours. The total crypto market cap is sitting at $756 billion. Bitcoin is sitting north of 28k. Ethereum is at $735, and XRP, that has been on the news lately, is sitting just shy of the 0.23 USD. So we have set a new all-time high for Bitcoin over the past 24 hours. It reached $28.5 thousand. It's due to a lot of factors, but mostly three. Institutional money came in. We all know about the Mass Mutual investment, the Guggenheim investment, and all the other names that I'm not gonna list right now. We have also a lot of fund managers that are actually buying BTC just before the end of the year, just to show them in their balance sheet and asset under management, just to maybe brag about it next year. If Bitcoin continues to explode, they could just say, oh, we went into Bitcoin in 2020, not in 2021, like all these other suckers, basically. And finally, the biggest reason, if you ask me, is the stimulus package that will be at least $600 per person in the US, but Donald Trump is trying to push it even further to have some maybe the same kind of paycheck as for the first stimulus. So we'll see what happens, but all of these are really driving Bitcoin price up. And something else we've seen lately, of course, volatility is up, but it's not really scaring the market at all. What we see is actually ETH. A lot of activities compared to let's say beginning of the year. Actually 15% more trading volume over the past few days. And there's a rumor, and I think it could happen really fast, that CME is actually working on a ETH ETF. I think this will be really, really helpful for institutional money that will try to diversify away from Bitcoin, maybe have two strong assets, and maybe it will legitimize crypto as a new asset class. So this is all for the crypto market wrap. Then we have a Japan internet giant called GMO. It's basically internet conglomerate that has been issued by the New York Department of Financial Services a license that allowed them to issue, administer, and redeem Japanese yen and US dollar pegged stablecoins. So this is really a first, at least for the Japanese yen, but not the first, of course, for the USD peg. This is also a company that is really, really big into the FX kind of trading platforms. So overall, really positive for the entire market. Bittrex is another exchange that just told its users that it will be halting trading for XRP on Friday, January 15th. So XRP has been bouncing back from, let's say, 0.18 to 0.23 at the moment. The thing is, even if you think the token is gonna win the lawsuit, and all this kind of thing, you might not even have places, or at least big places, to trade it over the next months. So even if you believe strongly in the project and use cases, which apart from speculation of this being adopted and the price going up, there's not seem to be a lot. If you look at what MoneyGram said, that basically, which was the biggest partner for all kind of cross-border payments and remittances, they said they didn't need XRP to function actually. So this was a big surprise to me, as XRP and Ripple have been advertising a lot this partnership. But as we saw, when SEC started to sue XRP, MoneyGram just published a press release saying, "Oh, don't worry, we didn't really use XRP anyway." So that's kind of shady if you ask me. Anyway, you do what you want. This is definitely not financial advice, but no matter what, there might not even be a place to trade it over the next few months. I'm still waiting for Binance or Kraken to delist it as well. And one news about positive news about crypto adoption is from Panthers Russell Okung, that will become the first NFL player to be paid in Bitcoin, at least half. So you need to read the article to understand. They will use what they call a Zaps Strike product. It's basically something just converting fiat to BTC automatically, if I sum it up. This is what they're gonna do. Half his wage will be converted immediately and sent to a cold storage wallet, and the other half will stay in fiat. What's interesting is that he tweeted back in, I think it was May 2019, that he wanted to be paid in Bitcoin. So I hope he bought some at that time on his own. But he's also, in this article, the company, the Zap company, is actually hinting that other sportsmen from Brooklyn Nets or other professional teams in the US are also working to have some part of their salary being paid in Bitcoin. So it's overall very good for adoption of this cryptocurrency. And also Okung was also saying that this could help the African American or black community to maybe have more financial power, and maybe develops the financial literacy of his teammates, as he said that it's something that needs to be worked on. So this is all for the day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and until then, stay safe. Bye bye.